Tesla, known for transforming the automotive industry with innovations that challenge traditional standards, is now poised to make an irreversible impact on the world of mobile technology. With the imminent launch of the Tesla Pi phone in 2025, Elon Musk's brand is ready to offer a device that not only competes with, but has the potential to surpass, giants such as Apple and Samsung. The proposition is clear: a revolutionary smartphone with affordable prices, innovative features, and seamless integration with Tesla's ecosystems, including its cars and the global Starlink satellite network. The Tesla Pi phone promises to redefine the mobile experience, with cutting-edge features ranging from direct connectivity via Starlink to a series of unprecedented safety and usability technologies. While brands such as Apple and Samsung continue to dominate the market with their iPhones and Galaxies, respectively, Tesla arrives with a device that not only offers cutting-edge performance, but also positions itself as a convergence point for the brand's services and products. This move could create a real disruption in the industry, especially by bringing innovations that its competitors have not yet dared to explore in their offerings. What makes the Pi phone even more impressive is its affordable price tag of less than $317, something that promises to make the device accessible to a wide range of consumers, especially when compared to the high prices of premium smartphones currently available on the market. In a scenario where Apple and Samsung charge high prices for their products, the Tesla Pi phone emerges as an attractive alternative for those looking for a quality device without having to pay a fortune for it. But what really sets the Pi phone apart and makes it a serious threat to traditional brands? The answer lies in the 7 innovative features that Elon Musk has revealed so far, and which are key to this device standing out in the highly competitive market. Let's explore each of these incredible features that will make you wonder, how has no one else thought of this before? One of the most exciting aspects of the Tesla Pi phone is its integration with Starlink, SpaceX's high-speed satellite network designed to provide internet access in remote and hard-to-reach locations around the world. With this innovative connectivity, the Pi phone will not be just another smartphone on the market, but rather a true revolution in global communications. The idea of having high-quality internet anywhere, without relying on carriers or local Wi-Fi networks, is something that many consider the future of connectivity, and Tesla is bringing it to the present. Unlike traditional connectivity models that require coverage from cell towers or Wi-Fi access points, Starlink offers a global network of low-orbit satellites that provide fast and stable connections, even in remote or rural areas where traditional internet infrastructure simply does not reach. This means that with the Tesla Pi phone, you will be able to make calls, send messages, and even browse the internet anywhere on the planet, without worrying about network quality or signal availability. Additionally, Starlink offers unlimited internet, meaning users will no longer have to worry about data caps or extra charges for excessive data usage. This freedom of navigation is something that completely transforms the experience of using a smartphone, especially for those who travel frequently or live in areas with limited access to conventional internet. The Tesla Pi phone will be a powerful tool to keep people connected in an increasingly digital world, where instant communication and information exchange are essential. If you've ever experienced the frustration of being in a place without internet access or dealt with slow and unstable connections, the Pi phone with Starlink connectivity promises to put an end to these problems once and for all. This level of global connectivity not only expands the possibilities for users, but also puts Tesla at the forefront of digital transformation, creating an ecosystem where connectivity will never be an obstacle again. Digital security has never been more important than it is now. With the rise of global connectivity, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches has become a constant concern. Tesla is once again promising to redefine what's possible with the Tesla Pi phone and its satellite-based quantum encryption, a revolutionary advancement that takes user data security to a whole new level. Quantum encryption is an emerging technology that uses the principles of quantum physics to protect data in ways that traditional technologies simply cannot. While conventional encryption systems rely on digital keys to encode and decode information, quantum encryption uses subatomic particles, called qubits, that can be in multiple states simultaneously. This makes it virtually impossible for any hacker to intercept or decrypt data without being detected. The Tesla Pi phone will take this technology a step further by integrating satellite-based quantum encryption, using Starlink's infrastructure to create communication channels that are immune to any eavesdropping attempts. This means that even on public networks or in high-risk areas, your conversations, financial transactions, and personal data will be protected by a security system that is virtually unbreakable. Using satellites for quantum communication solves one of the biggest challenges of quantum cryptography, the limitation of distance. Traditional quantum technology has difficulty transmitting secure information over long distances due to the loss of qubits in the process. However, by using Starlink's satellite network, Tesla will be able to create a global quantum communication network that does not rely on terrestrial infrastructure, ensuring a faster, more secure connection with greater range. This integration of quantum cryptography with satellite connectivity places the Tesla Pi phone at an unprecedented level of security. If you've ever worried about hackers accessing your personal information or companies with sensitive data fearing leaks, rest assured, Tesla is bringing a future where digital privacy will be stronger than ever. What's more, this approach goes beyond simply protecting against cyber threats. It also opens the door to new forms of secure communication, such as real-time banking, highly secure video conferencing, and even the sending of sensitive documents without the risk of interception. With quantum encryption via satellite, the boundaries of digital security are expanding, and Tesla Pi phone users can rest assured that their data is more protected than ever. The evolution of smartphones has been impressive, but the Tesla Pi phone is about to revolutionize the mobile device market with an innovation that seems straight out of a science fiction movie: the integrated holographic display. The idea of interacting with a device through three-dimensional holograms was once considered futuristic, but with the Tesla Pi phone, that future is closer than ever. Imagine that when you look at your phone, instead of a flat screen, you see a three-dimensional projection floating in space. The Tesla Pi phone's integrated holographic display will be able to create 3D images, without the need for special glasses or additional equipment, offering an immersive and intuitive experience to the user. This doesn't just mean displaying videos or images, but also interacting with the device in a completely new way. Unlike conventional touchscreens, where the user interacts with the device simply by touching the surface, the holographic display will allow for a more natural and dynamic interaction. You'll be able to manipulate virtual objects in space, rotate them, zoom in on them, or even interact with them using hand gestures, as if you were touching real objects. This creates a sense of immersion that traditional smartphones simply can't provide. In addition, this technology promises to transform the way we use our devices for communication. Video calls will no longer be limited to a flat screen. Imagine talking to someone and seeing a hologram of the person in front of you, as if they were in the same room as you. This goes beyond a simple interaction, providing a more personal and connected experience. For those who love augmented reality, the Tesla Pi phone will take the possibilities of this technology to a whole new level. The holographic screen will not only be a passive display, it can also be used to overlay information on the real environment, creating an interactive 360-degree digital space around you. Whether you're browsing the web, viewing maps, or even playing games in augmented reality, the interaction will be more fluid and natural, as if you were physically inside the scene. Another significant benefit of this technology will be the reduction of the environmental impact of traditional screens. The Tesla Pi phone's holographic display will not rely on materials like glass or plastic for its construction, meaning less waste of natural resources and a more sustainable device. In addition, the viewing experience will be significantly more efficient, with sharper, more detailed images, offering a level of quality that is impossible to achieve with traditional displays. With this, Tesla is not only delivering a smartphone with a futuristic design, it is creating a new way to interact with technology. The Tesla Pi phone's integrated holographic display not only pushes the boundaries of what is possible with mobile devices, but also redefines the very idea of interaction and communication in the digital world. With the growing demand for digital security and the constant evolution of cyber threats, biometric authentication has been a popular solution in recent years. However, the Tesla Pi phone is about to take it a step further, with the introduction of a revolutionary technology that promises to transform the concept of mobile security: bioelectric authentication. Bioelectric authentication is an innovation that goes beyond traditional fingerprints, facial recognition, or even iris scanning. This new technology is able to analyze the electrical signals emitted by the human body, taking advantage of the unique properties of bioelectricity to ensure that the user is really who they say they are. The idea is simple, but extremely advanced, using the electricity naturally generated by the human body as a key to unlock the device and access sensitive data in an even more secure way. This method is based on measuring the electrical activity of the user's muscles and nerves. When you touch or interact with the Tesla Pi phone, the device captures a series of unique bioelectric microcurrents that circulate through your body. These signals are nearly impossible to duplicate because they are unique to each individual, like a personalized electrical signature. Unlike traditional biometric technologies, which can be misleadingly captured or manipulated, bioelectric authentication is virtually impossible to spoof. This is because bioelectricity is an intrinsic and insurmountable characteristic of the human body. Even the most sophisticated hacker would not be able to replicate these signals efficiently, which makes authentication even more robust and secure. In addition, bioelectric authentication offers an extra layer of convenience and efficiency. Instead of having to place your finger on the fingerprint scanner or look at the facial recognition camera, simply interacting with the device, such as a touch or a light gesture, will be enough to unlock it. This approach makes the process faster and more convenient, without the need for repetitive actions. A key advantage of this technology is protection against theft and fraud. Because bioelectricity is an organic signal, it cannot be easily copied or stolen by conventional means. This eliminates concerns about cloned fingerprints, fake photos, or other forms of impersonation that compromise existing security systems. Even in a scenario where the device is lost or stolen, a thief would not be able to access the contents without the same bioelectric signature. The Tesla Pi phone, with this technology, sets a new standard for mobile device security, providing a more advanced and reliable solution than conventional biometric systems. With the increasing amount of sensitive data stored on our phones, such as banking information, private messages, and even health data, it is essential that authentication goes beyond traditional methods. Bioelectric authentication represents the future of digital security, ensuring that only the true user can access their information and perform actions on the device, creating a level of protection impossible to achieve with traditional biometric technologies. Mobile photography has evolved dramatically over the years. From simple VGA cameras to multi-lens sensors, each new advancement has promised to transform the way we capture and experience the world around us. But with the arrival of the hyperspectral camera on the Tesla Pi phone, mobile photography is about to undergo an even more significant revolution. The hyperspectral camera is a technology that goes far beyond the capabilities of conventional cameras. Instead of capturing only the visible spectrum of light, like traditional cameras, it can capture images in multiple bands of the electromagnetic spectrum, including those that are invisible to the human eye, such as infrared and ultraviolet light. This advancement opens up a new dimension to captured images, allowing users to explore and document the world in ways never before possible. One of the biggest differentiators of this technology is its ability to capture spectral data from every pixel in the image, creating a detailed map of every feature of an object or scene. This allows the Tesla Pi phone to provide a much richer and more accurate view of the environment, and can even reveal features that are hidden from the naked eye. For example, using the hyperspectral camera, you can capture the health of plants by observing their response to infrared light, or analyze the composition of materials in a scene, identifying, for example, whether a metal part is rusted or whether a painting has additional layers of paint. In addition to its application in the field of photography, the hyperspectral camera offers enormous potential for a variety of sectors, from medicine to public safety. Doctors can use the camera to diagnose skin problems or detect signs of diseases that are invisible to the naked eye, while in security, it can be used to detect chemicals, counterfeits, or even individuals in specific situations, such as hiding objects under clothing. With the hyperspectral camera, the photography experience on the Tesla Pi phone becomes much more advanced and interactive. The user does not just take a photo, but literally explores the world around them in multiple dimensions, revealing information and features that were previously inaccessible. This transforms the device into not just a camera, but a powerful analysis tool, allowing for everything from simple recordings of everyday scenes to complex investigations in professional and scientific fields. This innovation also places the Tesla Pi phone in a unique position in the smartphone market, bringing a feature that, until now, was reserved for high-performance cameras in specific areas, such as scientific research or industrial analysis. By integrating this technology into the phone, Tesla expands the horizons of mobile photography and redefines what is possible in terms of image capture, opening up a world of new possibilities for amateurs and professionals alike. But how exactly does it work? The hyperspectral camera works by using a combination of specialized sensors and advanced algorithms to capture light at different wavelengths. Unlike conventional cameras that capture images in a single layer of data, visible light, the hyperspectral camera captures multiple spectrums of light simultaneously, creating a layered image that can be analyzed in different dimensions. Each layer of data adds a new perspective, revealing information that was previously hidden. This translates into a much richer and more informative final image. Photography as we know it has evolved by leaps and bounds in recent years. As technology advances, smartphone cameras, such as the one on the Tesla Pi phone, have become increasingly sophisticated, offering stunning image quality. However, the real leap to professional-level photo quality doesn't come from the hardware alone. Artificial intelligence, AI, has proven to be the real game-changer when it comes to enhancing the images we capture. In the Tesla Pi phone, AI is used in innovative ways to transform the way photos are taken, processed, and enhanced. It's not just about capturing an image, it's about capturing the perfect image. The device's AI analyzes the scene in real time, automatically adjusting camera parameters such as exposure, white balance, contrast, and saturation to ensure that each photo is sharp, detailed, and with vibrant colors. One of the main functions of AI in photography on the Tesla Pi phone is what we can call intelligent processing. This means that when taking a photo, the system can automatically recognize different elements in the scene, such as people, landscapes, objects, or even animals. Based on what's being photographed, AI applies optimized adjustments for each situation. For example, if you're photographing a landscape at sunset, AI can adjust the exposure to capture details in the darkest areas of the image while maintaining the vibrant colors of the sky in the background. If you're taking a portrait, AI can smooth out skin and enhance the lighting of the face, making the image more playful and natural. In addition to real-time enhancement, AI also plays a crucial role in reducing noise and increasing sharpness in low-light conditions. Scenes with poor lighting can result in blurry or grainy photos. However, with AI, the Tesla Pi phone can analyze the image and apply advanced noise reduction techniques, preserving as much detail as possible and ensuring a clean and clear image, even in challenging environments. Another interesting feature is post-processing optimization, something that previously required the use of advanced image editing programs. With AI, the Tesla Pi phone can automatically perform post-capture adjustments, such as correcting lens distortions, removing unwanted flare, and even applying subtle artistic effects. This not only saves time, but also makes it easy for anyone, even those with no photography experience, to achieve professional results. AI also plays an important role in long-exposure photography. This functionality, often difficult to achieve without specialized equipment, can now be easily performed using algorithms that analyze the movement in the scene and optimize captures, creating photos with more dynamics and clarity. This allows, for example, to capture moving stars or night scenes with minimal blur. In addition, the AI in photography on the Tesla Pi phone is always learning from its own interactions. This means that the more you shoot, the smarter the camera becomes. It adapts to your shooting style by learning preferences such as the conditions you like to take photos in, the colors you prefer, and the adjustments you make frequently. In essence, AI makes the Tesla Pi phone not just a smart camera, but a personalized camera that understands and adapts to your photography needs.